Look at that. We are 10 days out from when we're supposed to be at Salt Lake City for X Games. I don't know why, but X Games has never been easy for me. I always have some kind of issues. I had to tear down my course. When I should be practicing for X Games out there, I was actually tearing it all down. That was about a 10-day project. The skid broke when I was trying to finish everything up. Half my tooth broke off. I had to get that fixed the other day, so I haven't been able to open my mouth. That's where we're at. When X Games decided to go to gas only, you know, is what it is. I wasn't too worried about it, but I have been riding the Stark only on the ramps. The 22-23 GasGas, which I rode 2 years ago, got a silver medal. I liked that bike a lot, so I went out, found one on Marketplace. We went through the whole bike, built it up, made it all beautiful. I don't know, I started riding it and it seemed okay at first. I can jump the ramp, it's no problem, but there's something not quite right. Either the fuel pump or the injector. I just don't have time to figure it out. I got 1 week. We gotta be at X Games. I bet you didn't see that coming. Jared McNeel, he had this Yamaha here and offered it to me. I immediately went on Marketplace, traded a KTM 450 for this stock one as well. We're gonna swap some of the parts and the springs over to Jared's bike, and I'm gonna give it a go. I still gotta finish my van here that my buddy Miles has been building. We got a couple issues. We're gonna try to fix them while my brother is getting me springs for the bike. We got the male gigolo and the regular mechanic. Got the bike back together. Got no choice but to get out here and give it a go before they roll in and start pouring on us. Unfortunately, I don't have a course anymore, so I got no choice but to practice to the bag. All right, we got a bike. That's so much better. So crazy how different, like, the shock. Look better? Or the same?
Looks a lot better.
The whips are there, but if you don't have the comfort, like, you just can't do it.
How many days have you got left to get used to this bike?
One more day.
So you've got 1 day with the bike set up.
Yep.
And you're going into X Games.
That's...
Hell
do
yeah.
what you gotta do, I guess.
All right, good luck, man.
Oh, thanks, man.
That's it. 10-minute window, and the rain has come. Tomorrow, our last day, we got to put up the NextGen. We'll see how it goes. Right here, you see this thing? So this DD bag I have is actually made for the NextGen ramp that we jump at X Games. So it has this extra wedge down here at the bottom that raises it like 3 or 4 feet. I'm kind of nervous, honestly. I have only hit the NextGen on the Stark since X Games, and that was a few months ago. We got the extension on it, which makes this thing almost 11.5 feet tall. Personally, I don't like jumping the NextGen to the airbag. Trying to push a little bit, but I did have one scary moment. I did jump off the edge. You can see my marks. I hopped off, boom, straight towards the tree, but we survived. We need to get everything packed up and start heading to Salt Lake. Second day on the bike with proper suspension. So I like to build. Hopefully we get some good practice at X Games, and I'm gonna just keep trying to step it up and hopefully compete with everybody. Shout out to everybody, all the sponsors that helped me. Caleb, my brother, Jared for letting me ride his bike. It's been a crazy few weeks over here.